Training an AI model can take months and cost hundreds of millions of dollars. Using it? That costs money too, every single time. Here's why. Most people think of AI like a search engine. You ask a question, it looks up the answer, but that's not what's happening. When you type a prompt and hit send, the model doesn't retrieve anything. It computes an answer from scratch. That process is called inference, and it's fundamentally different from training. Training is where the model learns, adjusting billions of numerical parameters over weeks or months using enormous datasets. Inference is where it performs. The weights are frozen, nothing new is learned. But the work isn't free. Here's what actually happens. Your prompt gets converted into tokens, chunks of text, roughly a word each. Those tokens flow through the model's neural network in what's called a forward pass. Every token interacts with billions of parameters. Think of it as your question passing through billions of tiny decisions, layer after layer, until the network produces a probability distribution over every possible next word. It picks one, then it feeds that word back in, and does the entire forward pass again to generate the next token. And the next, and the next. A 400-word response means roughly 400 forward passes through the full network. That's why longer answers take longer and cost more. It's not lag, it's computation happening in real time. And it's why you sometimes see text appear word by word. The model is literally building the sentence as you watch. This creates an engineering problem at scale. Millions of people sending prompts simultaneously, each requiring billions of calculations per token. The industry has responded with an entire discipline around inference optimization. Batching groups multiple requests together so the hardware stays busy. KV caching stores intermediate calculations so the model doesn't redo work it's already done within a conversation. Speculative decoding uses a smaller, faster model to draft tokens that the larger model then verifies, skipping full computation when the guess is right. These aren't minor tweaks. They're the reason you get a response in seconds instead of minutes, and they represent one of the largest infrastructure challenges in AI today. The practical takeaway: every time you prompt a model, you're not querying a database. You're renting a supercomputer for a few seconds. The model already has its knowledge baked in, but sharing it with you still takes real hardware, real electricity, and real money. If that was useful, subscribe. New explainer every week. I'm Ariella.